Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this treat box set. So this treat box is going with the Halloween decorations that you could make the Dracula, Frankenstein, and bat. So this time I'm going to make a Christmas one, so I didn't use these ones. These are all the accessories that you could make to for different Halloween treat box. So let's take it apart. And here is the basic one. So for this basic one, you could make boxes in order with all the different themes to use it all around the year. And for these three pieces, you just need to cut this one and this one 1 time each, and this one 2 times each, 2 times to make the size. And let's start. So for the paper, I used this one. So first, let's fold all around the folding lines first. And here is a folding line. So you need to stick this screw flap here, so to the short side. And now for the sides, first stick this part here, like so. And also this one to this part. And see here that you need to fold it like this way. And stick both parts to both ends. So now the box is ready. You just need to use a Velcro or a magnet to close the box like this. And then you could just like add like this gingerbread man here, or I was thinking of adding this one here. I think this would be cute. You could trim this clip part off. And put it here. This would be cute, right? Or the Christmas one. I like this one. And then you could add a sentiment words here like this. Maybe it would be also cute that I hand this one here. Just stick this one down below this reindeer, so it will I just can't do it now, but yeah, so it will be something like this, that like the door hanger that is having different Christmas sentiments on this part and hanging it like so. I think it would be a cool idea, but I can't take out this one right now. But it's just an idea, because when I was making it, I was thinking of adding words here. I think adding words here is also a great, like winter and snowflakes. Or this one, fa la la la. And yeah, the North Pole. And cookies. I think cookies is also great since you could put cookies inside and so have a word cookie here. Yeah, I think this would be a cute one. So yeah, it's just an idea for putting some embellishments on top. I think that would be cute. And you could definitely make different theme box using this one, since I think it would be a cool one that you could make throughout the year. And you could put some candies inside, put some gifts inside, and it would be a cool box for your parties, I think. So this is the tutorial for today. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.